Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Makita Track Saw is probably one of the most versatile and accurate tools you can have in your workshop, offering smooth, precise cuts for a wide range of woodworking projects, from intricate joinery to large-scale panel cutting. This video will delve into the features, performance, and overall value of this essential tool, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your toolbox. Number 5. POWERTEC 71387 Track Saw Guide. This kit makes connecting your track saw guide rails a breeze. It's perfect for longer cuts and larger woodworking projects. You get two 55-inch guide rails and two connectors. Everything you need to extend your reach. It conveniently aligns your saws for precise, straight cuts every time. Say goodbye to crooked lines. It's made from high-quality extruded aluminum for durability and rust resistance. It's built to last for all your woodworking needs. It works with Makita and Festool track saws, and you can easily customize the length. It also works with a variety of other accessories. Use it with guide rail adapters to expand compatibility with even more machines. Unlock a wider range of projects. While it works with Makita, Festool, and other brands, not all brand-specific accessories are guaranteed compatible. Always check before use. What we like. It can be extended to 110 inches with connectors, providing you with the ability to make extra long cuts. Its high-quality aluminum construction ensures it will last for years. If you need to cut large pieces of material or frequently need longer cuts, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. Makita E05664 Guide Rail Bag. This bag is designed to protect your valuable guide rails during transport and storage. It's the perfect solution for keeping your equipment safe and organized. Made from durable, water-repellent 1680D polyester, it provides excellent protection against the elements and wear and tear. The padded lining adds an extra layer of security for your investment. It comfortably holds two Makita 55, two Makita 39, or one of each size guide rails. It also fits many competitive brands. This bag is designed to accommodate various guide rail sizes, up to 59 inches. It's compatible with Festool, DeWalt, Triton, and other brands. Adjustable hook and loop straps securely hold your guide rails in place, preventing them from shifting during transport. It makes carrying and storing your rails a breeze. Despite its protective features, it remains lightweight for easy portability. It's built to last, providing long-term protection for your guide rails. What we like. This padded bag keeps your guide rails safe from damage during transport and storage. Its tough, water-resistant material protects your investment. If you're looking for a way to protect your guide rails and make them easy to transport, this is a must-have. What people say. Product appears to well-designed and includes a zipper utility pouch for small accessory items. It's nicely padded to protect the guide rail. It sports a grip handle and a shoulder strap for easy carry. It can accommodate two tracks that strap securely in place. Awesome padded carrier for the track pieces. Includes a nice size pocket that I was able to put the clamps and the extender pieces into. Shoulder strap and carrying handle provide convenient methods of carrying the case, and internal padding protects the guide rails very well. Number 3. POWERTEC 71358 Track Saw Connectors. This connector set is designed to seamlessly join your guide rails for smooth, straight cuts. It's compatible with many popular track saw brands, ensuring a perfect fit every time. The kit includes two connectors and an Allen key, everything you need to get started. No additional tools or instructions are required. Installation is simple and straightforward. Just align the rails, insert it, and tighten the screws. The tapered edges ensure a smooth, secure connection. Made from high-quality steel, it provides a solid and sturdy connection between your guide rails, resulting in consistently straight cuts. It's built to last. It's compatible with a wide range of track saw brands and models, including Festool, Makita, DeWalt, Triton, and Craig. It's the perfect addition to your woodworking arsenal. With these connectors, you can easily extend your guide rails for longer cuts, ensuring precision and accuracy every time. Enjoy the ease and precision of perfectly aligned rails. What we like. These connectors are a breeze to install, requiring no instructions. The high-quality steel ensures a secure and stable connection between rails. If you value ease of use and a strong, reliable connection, these are the connectors for you. What people say. Fits nice and snug, no wiggle, but glides smooth as butter on hot toast. Fits my Ryobi palm router perfectly. Bought these for my extra track I purchased separately. I bought a less pricey set, but they only locked one track, not both. This set kept everything perfectly aligned. Quality made connector which fits in both of my Makita and Milwaukee guide tracks. Good value buy. Number 2. POWERTEC 71550 Track Saw Kit. This kit gives you everything you need for precise cuts. It includes two 55-inch guide rails, connectors, and a protective bag for easy transport. It helps you achieve perfectly straight cuts every time. The professional-grade rails ensure accuracy and balance. Easily join the rails together using the included connectors to make cuts over 9 feet long. It's quick and seamless. Made from extruded aluminum, it's rust and corrosion resistant. It's built to last for years of professional use. The padded carrying bag keeps your rails safe from scratches during transport. It's designed to fit two 55-inch rails perfectly. It's compatible with Makita and Festool track saws. Please note that while it works with various brands, not all accessories are interchangeable. What we like. This kit includes everything you need: two 55-inch rails, connectors, and a carrying bag. The combination ensures accurate cuts and easy transport. If you're starting out or need a convenient all-in-one solution, this kit is perfect. What people say. Rails are machined well, easy to set up and use. The case is padded and has been excellent storage for the rails, connector bars, and also a track square I have. These tracks are perfect for my Makita Track Saw. It slides very smoothly across the track without any hiccups between the two tracks. I have used this several times. The track is a must-have if you are using a track saw. This one was less money than a saw name brand, but it is 100% accurate. Number 1. Makita 194368-5 Guide Rail. This 55-inch guide rail is designed for precision cutting. It works seamlessly with Makita plunge saws for incredibly straight cuts every time. It's engineered to interact perfectly with the saw base. This ensures smooth, accurate cuts, whether straight or at an angle. This guide rail is ideal for ripping large sheets of material. It provides the stability and control you need for clean, precise cuts. With the right adapters, it can also be used with select routers and circular saws. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to any workshop. It's compatible with Makita plunge saws XPS-01, XPS-02, and SP6000J. Remember to use the appropriate adapter for routers and circular saws. Experience the difference of precise cuts with this guide rail. It's built for accuracy and control, making your projects easier and more efficient. What we like. This rail is engineered for precise, straight cuts with your Makita plunge saw. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you demand accuracy and durability in your cuts, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Well packaged, very useful and accurate. Not only did it do that, but I was immediately amazed at the level of grip on the pads of the Makita track. I always used clamps with the previous tracks, but the Makita track's grip inspired enough confidence that I ran most cuts without, making quick work of breaking down the panels. The Makita guide rail arrived in a well-packaged box from UPS without any indications that the guide rail had suffered any damage in transit. Upon opening the Makita box, there was a secondary box with various configurations of cardboard padding and foam. The guide rail was absolutely perfect upon a visual inspection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.